Oops. Adult snaps. Lots of snaps. Snappity pap. Oh, also, I'll go over there in a second. But red, white, and blues. All great prices. I don't even know the prices on these, honestly. They're probably all the same price. If I'm being honest here. Oh, yep, they're all 25 cents each. Sliders are 60 cents. I think I know what a slider is, but if not, I just bought $3 worth. How much are the artificials? Ooh. Excuse me. Thank you, sir. Time to go over here. Oh, sky lanterns. We got the small devils. Don't know what that is, but it sounds awesome. Confetti cake. Oh, this is actually a really nice cake. Not common. One you hold. And then we got, let's just start from the back and move our way this way. Ooh, classics. Brothers Ladybugs. They're plastic now, don't really like that, but let's see what this is. Don't know what any of these are, but they're here. I'm not really a rocket guy. I don't know about these rockets. They're nice, but I mean, I'm not really a rocket guy, so I might become one. What, $12 for this thing? Oh, I'm probably gonna grab that once I come back. Ooh, that's an interesting wrap. Only if these were the not black hat versions. Someone's gonna text me later in the comments, you missed something. No, I just don't need it. Ooh, a whole combo kit? 15 bucks? Dude, this place is awesome. Remember, guys, Texas isn't allowed to have these. Me walk out with like 10 cases. I'm just kidding, whoever's watching this. I would never buy them. Don't ask questions in my next stash review. This place got some good things, I will say. I'm damn near jealous to anyone that lives here with these prices. The classics? Okay, I might have to end up walking away with that. $8.99. $8.99. Whistling Moon Travelers. The OGs, $6.99. $8.99. $0.85? I feel stupid just buying one of these. Air travel? Never heard of this. You believe these things are illegal in Texas? Right? Out of anything, all these fireworks, that's the one thing that's not allowed in Texas. It's apparently it causes a lot of fires, which does make sense, but still, kind of crazy. Which I do understand, but still, the ban literally. Yeah, they're bottle rockets. Well, grab some, grab some. You got an elephant? Sheesh. The ears are kind of set back though, ain't it? Oh, also, when you're here, check out their artwork. It's pretty good artwork, I will say. I don't know if these are made in China or what, but check those out. Those are pretty cool. And then we got the baby Yoda, or the kid. And then they got the Pikachus. There's a guy, I know him. He bought like a crap of these because his wife likes them. I'm gonna send that to him later, or post it. I've always seen these. Don't really know what these are, but these are pretty dope. Strobes. Ooh, these look like fun to annoy people with. Oh, these things are pretty heavy. Get to the chopper. Tanks on tanks. Oh, man. Ooh, Shogun. Look at that. When you get a chance, check this out. That's pretty dope. Stink bombs? That's pretty cool. Miniature ducks, rubber ducks. Pooping chicken. Oh my gosh. Oh no, that's just no. That's one with the balloon. It'd be stupid of me to buy one. Just kidding. Yeah. Oh, and then if you guys are looking for a if anyone's paintball or softball, why did I say softball? Paintball or airsoft, they do have smokes, and they're really cheap too, in my opinion. I used to order them off of Amazon, so that costs a boatload. So I think they have all the colors, honestly. Yep, these are with the rip pins. I mean, obviously. So they have everything, all the colors you need. Jeez, I'm gonna need to take a break in a second. There is a lot. We'll include the smoke before I pause the video. A lot of smoke. The classics, okay, $9 for a whole box, cheap. This is like Texas prices before COVID. Oh my god, they have a wheel. If I didn't, I literally do not have a single thing. You know what? I could just get a 2x4 and do it. Honestly, I probably should just buy that. I'll come back to that in a little bit. I went from let me finish off with the smoke to look at other stuff. That's pretty cool. I might grab that. Oh, and there's more wheels. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, they got whole packs? Not really I've never really messed with it, but I feel like I'd regret not buying one, so I'll buy a few of them. Cause it's just a rocket motor, and I'll buy one of each to test, okay? This is like, if you're watching this, the timeline is from the discount section to novelties, and I'm still excited to even go to the freaking cracker section. But we still got a few things here. This is all fountains, so it's insane. Oh, sorry. Smoking gun ammo, refill. Dinosaurs.